I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're in the kitchen preparing Nashville hot shrimp. That's right, I said shrimp, not chicken. Of course, chicken is what Nashville is known for when it comes to hot chicken, but we're doing shrimp today, and you're gonna absolutely love it. And I'm telling you, the recipe is so easy. Let's follow along, okay? Here we go. Let's make up our flour, our seasoned flour mixture. Of course, we start off with some flour, and then the big number one ingredient, cayenne, a lot of cayenne. Of course, some paprika, smoked or regular. I like to smoke, along with some brown sugar, and of course, some garlic powder. Now we need to mix this all up, evenly distribute all that, and look at the color of your flour. This is a seasoned flour, I guarantee you right now. Okay, and you know what? If you don't measure exactly, that's okay. You want a good seasoned flour. That's all there is to it. But those are the main ingredients. That's what you need. And a little more paprika, a little more cayenne, it's not going to hurt. All right, from here, we need to make a little bit of an egg wash, an egg batter. Of course, I'm going to put in some fresh eggs. And when I finish this, a little bit of buttermilk. Thick and rich and creamy. And of course, some Tabasco. Hot pepper seasoning that you want, that's okay. Hot pepper sauce that you want. I like a lot of it, you can tell. I mean, it's hot shrimp, come on. All right, let's mix this all together. And we're gonna start our process. Now, do what I'm doing here. Set up your board. We have our shrimp, our flour, our wash back in the flour and into the oil. So let's get our pan on the stove here. Got about 2 inches of oil in that pan on about medium-high heat. Want about 350 degrees. Get the shrimp, put them in this wash, and I leave the tail on here for a reason. Into the wash, back into the mixture, and we drop right into the oil. Oh, look at that. Perfect temperature. And just keep repeating this. Now, one thing you don't want to do, make sure you don't put a ton of shrimp into the flour at one time and then go into the wash, etc. You don't want to do that at all, because your shrimp are a little wet, remember, and we don't want to mess the flour up or your batter at all. There we go. So just keep repeating this until you fill up your pan with your shrimp. All right, the shrimp is now browning. Let's start turning this over. Oh yeah, just perfect. Great color. Really is. Nice coating on here. About 1 minute or so. Check it, and then I would say maybe 3 or 4 minutes and turn it. But I have enough oil in here, or really it's cooking the top and the bottom. So I think we're okay. Oh yeah. At this point, let this finish frying about maybe another couple of minutes. Get it nice and brown. I'll tell you what, I can smell the heat right now. Yeah, smell the heat. It's Nashville hot shrimp. Come on. Any other tips? I don't know. You know, I'll be honest with you, when I'm cooking shrimp like this, I love it right out of the pan, and then I'll just put some Tabasco or, you know, a little more heat on top of it. But other than that, there's really nothing that you need to do. You may want to sprinkle a little bit of paprika on there, you know, for good looks, okay? But other than that, we're just about ready with this. Oh yeah, look at this. How about it? Land it right there on some parchment paper. It's looking good. Just what we want. Nice and crispy. This is gonna be just delicious, I'm telling you. And then we're gonna put this over some white bread, serve it with some pickles, splash it with a little more Tabasco, and we have a quick and easy dish that everyone's gonna love. All right, let this just sit for about 30 seconds or so. Okay, how easy is this? Let's just plate this with the white bread, put those shrimp right on top. Oh yeah, come on. I'm telling you, you want a quick dish, something the whole family's gonna love, and you're gonna want to really have a lot of this because along with these pickles, that white bread, that shrimp, and a little bit more of the hot sauce. There you have it, Nashville hot shrimp. I like to serve this with a little bit of white barbecue sauce. Absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, the whole family is going to enjoy it. I would be honored to serve this to my family on our table. Brought to you by Hen House Markets.